If Earth restoration is the goal, then Earth extraction is the contradiction. Every modern economy depends on mining. Iron, copper, lithium, rare earths, all essential. But the physics is simple. Extraction removes material faster than ecosystems can regenerate. No policy can change that. Mining is not just land removal. It is water contamination, soil sterilization, atmospheric disruption. Once damage crosses a threshold, restoration becomes slower than destruction. That is the failure mode of Earth-based extraction. This is not a moral argument. It is a rate problem. Even green mining consumes land, water, and energy inside closed biospheres that humans depend on to live. Recycling helps, but it does not replace growth demand. Demand always outpaces reuse. That means civilization faces a constraint. Either extraction slows and development collapses, or extraction continues and Earth collapses. There is no third option. The error in current thinking is assuming extraction must occur where life exists. That assumption was never tested. It was inherited. Earth is not just a resource base. It is a life support system. Using the same planet for survival and heavy industry is the original design flaw of civilization. Every major collapse in history follows the same pattern. Resources extracted locally. Damage accumulates, systems fail. Scale does not fix this, it accelerates it. If civilization is to continue advancing, extraction must be relocated, not rebranded. This is why earth mining must end. Not tomorrow, not abruptly, but permanently. Because a planet that must heal cannot also be the place where industry digs. The solution is not less industry. The solution is moving industry off the planet that keeps us alive.